Hello friends, thanks for watching all the videos in this quill doll making series. This is the final video of this series and today we can see about how to give some finishing touches to our miniatures. If you haven't watched the other videos of the quill doll making series, go give a look on all the videos. It will be really helpful for you. And this is from yesterday's video. And this part is without applying any gloss, and this is after applying gloss. You can see the difference, and to know more about adding gloss, check out yesterday's video. For finishing the dolls, you can have the dolls as such or mount them on different bases like a tight coil. This is a tight coil. This side I have applied glue so it is glossy, and this side I haven't applied glue. So we can glue down the base of the doll to this tight coil so that we can mount it. Or else we can use wooden blocks, we can use plain, or we can add some quilled elements to it and then place the dolls above them. Just like this. Or even you can put them in wooden boxes or some frames, shadow frames, to enhance the look. We could add other elements like adding written sentiments or other miniature environments around the doll, just like this. These dolls can be used as just presents or as cake toppers or keychains or anything that you can imagine. Now coming on to packing, when I gift a kid with a miniature, I just put it on a small plastic container so that I can carry it safely in my bag and it won't get destroyed. If you need to mail them, then you could put it in a hard box. Just put it in and then post them. Or else if you don't have, without the plastic containers, you can just put it in. And if you need additional support, you could put some newspapers around the doll, maybe something smaller than this. Put it around the doll so that it don't get shaked and get damaged. The newspapers are just an additional option if at all you were really worried so much about your doll. Hope these tricks helped you. Catch you with another video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed me yet, click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can get updates on all my new videos so that you don't miss any of them. Happy quilling!